the flap is that side, okay. There we go, that is now in, so that's good. So we've got that there, we now need to get this screw back in as well. Where do these screw onto? That's about there. Right. Nice and still with the torch, please, Bebs.
Is it almost fixed?
Almost. I need to pop this in. If we get this in, we're in a good place. Right, that screw's there and that one's there. Right, okay, got it in the place I want it.
Well, that made a scratch the table.
That's okay, table's alright. This table has seen a lot of action.
We used to have this table in our kitchen.
Did you? We did. Right, one little gold screw going back in.
And then it'll be fixed. No.
Going to remove this from there. Another little screw's about to go back in at this end. Do you think you could work on fiddly things like this all the time?
No.
Why not?
Because it would just be so boring and my hands get tired.
But would you not think I have just fixed something that someone else might have just thrown away?
Yeah.
You've saved the environment a little bit as well. Imagine all this plastic in the landfill. Right, shadow puppets. It's not helping my sight. You little monkey. Okay, so what was the lesson you learned from Nintendo Switch disaster?
That you don't have to just throw it in the bin, you can fix it.
And it's true. And play your Nintendo Switch on carpeted surfaces.
Probably also true.
Right, that's the little case back on there. So this was the battery bit. Oh, there we go. Right. We need to pull him out of there. He runs up in here like this. And that's the space for that wire to go down. Maybe we'll tweezer that one. What do you think it'll be like when we test it? Do you think that'll be fun?
Yeah.
Quite nervous. What about, like, yeah, see if it works. Quite excited for it to work. There we go, get that shoved down in there. Brilliant. Okay, this is the contact that the battery needs to make.
The battery needs to go in, otherwise it won't work.
There we go, so we've now got the battery on. These two bits of ribbon cable have stayed connected, which has been fantastic. I was a bit worried about those. We then need to do the opposite of the prizing apart. We know we've got power because, oh, this is the Y, yeah, we've got the Y, so that's good. So these 4 screws go back in. Usually I would test it at this point, but I'm that confident that I'm going to just put these screws in anyway. So these are the 4 casing screws to go back in.
Do you need the light now?
No, you can put that down if you want. Such an effort to hold the light for you, Daddy.
It is.
To get my Nintendo Switch fixed.
What's your password?
None of your business.
It is, because I want to tell
You can do that without knowing the password.
How do you do
You
it?
just swipe up from the bottom of the screen.
Okay.
Have you got some options? Oh, someone's phoned me.
Your. Okay, there we go.
Right,
Yeah.
Chloe Jude, this is the moment of truth.
I figured it out.
We now need to, well done, we now need to get the
Yay.
rest of the
It's on
switch.
again.
We're going to slide it down here. Look at that, it looks just as good as new, doesn't it?
Wait, let me
Right, you do
see.
the honours. Can you turn it on? Hold it tight.
Hopefully.
Right, show everybody the screen. You want to pop it on the camera? Look, this is what Chloe's been doing. And is it working? Can you use that right hand JoyCon?
Let me see.
So what would you use?
Yes, it is.
Yay! So you can look up and down. Do you look left and right with it as well?
No, you can't.
Okay, so we know that the JoyCon is working again, yeah?
Yeah.
There we go. Well
It's
done.
working.
There we go, working JoyCon in 30 minutes.